Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Toward Libby reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States and United Kingdom that deals with multiple products or clothing options including tops, dresses, jumpsuits, bottoms, accessories and shoes as well. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You can take a look that they are offering the entire products at affordable prices, which are too good to be true deal. Now coming to the payment info, so at the bottom of the web page you can see the modes of payment which are available on the site are Visa, Mastercard, Mastro, American Express, JCB, Discover, etc. And coming to the shipping policy of the site, so they have mentioned that the processing time is 3 to 7 business days and it will take around 2 weeks due to high volume of orders. International standard shipping duration will be 2 to 6 weeks. And they have mentioned that please contact us if your tracking number is not up to after 2 to 3 weeks. So guys, this was the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 22nd of December 2020. Guys, this site is 2 months old and this was registered only 2 months ago. So we can't claim this site a legit website because we know that a domain which is created less than 3 months ago is not considered a legit website and it may be potentially suspicious, guys. So you need to be aware of this factor, and let's check out the entire details to know more about this website. So coming to the about us page, they have mentioned limited information in about us page. Even they have not provided the info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is a negative sign. And talking about the contact details of the site, so let's check out the contact us page. Guys, here they have mentioned the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, but they have provided fake contact details including the address. They have provided suspicious address in the contact us page, which is a biggest red high alert. And apart from that, you should also know that most of the scam or suspicious websites use emails which are suspicious and starting with online support, customer care, etc. So be aware of this factor, guys. Now talking about the social media presence of this site, so no social media icon is available on the site. It means that the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign. Now coming to the return policy of the site, let's check out the returns page, and they have mentioned 30-day no hassle return or refund policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to the customers. And talking about Toward Libby reviews, so we have not found customer reviews about the site on the internet, which is not a good sign. And guys, this site is not much popular online because the domain name of the site is too new. The site is newly launched website which seems to be not much popular online and has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 1%, guys, which is really very bad. And the content of the site seems to be copied from other websites, which is again a negative sign. So yes, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be suspicious, guys, and you should stay away from such type of suspicious sites. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.